In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram feed to Squarespace. Unfortunately, since this functionality is not available through Squarespace itself, what we need to do is make use of a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. So the first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the elfsight.com platform. Once you click on the link, this is the page that you will land on. From here, go ahead to the navigation menu on top of the page, and there you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then this massive menu of widgets is going to open up. From here, underneath social, I want you to click on Instagram feed, which will be near the top. Click on that, and then that is going to take you to the Instagram feed widgets page. From here, go ahead and click on this red button that says create widget for free, and then that is going to take you to the widget template section. Now, on the left hand side, you have the templates, and on the right hand side here, we have a little preview of what each template is going to look like on your Squarespace website. Bear in mind that you can also customize the design later on, so don't worry about it too much just now. So as you can see, you have a profile widget here, you have a standard grid, you have a hashtag showcase, you have a small widget, you have a post slider, and so forth. Go ahead, select the one that you want, and once you're happy with your choice, click continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Now you need to decide whether you want to display the feed of an account or a hashtag. In my case, I'm going to go for an account, and the account I want to display the feed of will be Nike, just like that, and then click on search. Give it a couple of seconds and it will show right here once it pulls in the relevant information. By the way, it does say that if you want to enhance the widget performance, you could also connect to Instagram. In my case, I don't have access to the Nike Instagram, so this is as good as I could do by simply linking it like this. Click on done, and then while we wait for this to load, on the left hand side of the screen here, you will see a number of different options such as layout, post, style, and settings. So for the layout here, you can change the layout if you don't like the standard slider, for example, just a grid, just like that. In my case, I like the slider. Here, we can also customize the columns and the rows that are displayed. You can customize the header, the slider settings, the feed title, and so forth. In terms of the posts, here you can choose whether you want to display the likes count when somebody hovers over the images. For the style, you can customize the style pretty much to whatever you want because there's so many customization options right here. You also have some settings where you can customize the language as well as add custom JavaScript code if you want. But in our case, I'm going to keep it as it is. Just know that these things on the side here are there for you to use. So once you're happy with the way your widget looks, go ahead and click add to website for free. And then that is going to create your widget in the next couple of seconds. Before you actually get to this page here though, it will ask you to log in into the Elfsight platform. So you can either create your own account or you can log in through Google, which is what I've done because it's much easier and quicker. So once you've done that and you're logged in, on the top right corner of the screen, you will see a big green publish button. Now in my case, the widget is already published, so I wouldn't be able to see it. But once you click on publish, you'll be taken to the plans section. Now, since this is the first widget we are using through the Elfsight platform, we can go for the free plan right here because it supports one singular widget. So go ahead and select plan. However, in the future, if you do decide to use a multiple of their widgets, you have to opt for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few. But for now, we're going to go for the free plan. Once you've selected the free plan, you will be taken to this page right here, which is where we need to copy the code of the widget that we just created and then head over back to our Squarespace website. Once you're on your Squarespace website, make sure that you are in the actual editor. And then all you have to do now is decide where you want to display your widget. In my case, I want to add a brand new section at the bottom here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a blank section. And then I'm going to also make it a little bit bigger because as you saw, I have quite a large widget. From here, go ahead and click add block in the top left corner of the section where you want to add the widget. And then go ahead and click on the code here. Then this is going to add a code block like this. From here, click on the pencil icon and then make sure that the mode is set to HTML and then delete this first line of text and replace it with the code that you just copied. Give it a couple of seconds and then your Instagram feed will be displayed right here. As you can see, let me just position this correctly. Now, ignore this script disabled message. This is only for the editor itself. I'm not even sure why it appears in the first place. But yeah, as you can see, my widget is already here. What we need to do now is go ahead and resize the Instagram feed to our liking, just like this. I'm going to make it full width. And then if I just exit the preview here like this should load nicely like that. Now, while I wait for this to load, I'm going to go ahead and click save because it doesn't matter if it's already loaded in the editor. What we want to do is go and preview it for real and see what it will look like on our website, both for us and our users. So as you can see, here is the actual widget. Looks super nice and clean. It displays exactly what I wanted to display. And as you can see, these arrows here allow people to browse through the feed as they see fit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add an Instagram feed to Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.